Memulepermanes. Level 1, Sentence 1. Arrange the words to form the correct sentence. Welcome to Simple Past Tense English Learning Game. Let's start learning. The shone sun cleared. The sun shone brightly yesterday. The sun shone brightly yesterday. Excellent. Correct answer. The sun shone brightly yesterday.